Story on Week News at 6 tonight. We're uncovering a scam that's common during tax season. This time, a Cape Coral taxpayer was the target.
She got a phone call saying a mistake on her return made her eligible for a refund. It all seemed real at first. In a story you'll see only on Wink, Rachel Raffanelli spoke to the woman and the Internal Revenue Service.
Yeah, the IRS told me this is the time of year when you're going to see more scams related to taxes. The woman who almost fell for one says it sounded so legitimate because the person on the other line knew all of her personal information.
This is to inform you that an additional tax refund of $2,173 is to be paid to you.
The call told Tara Simpson she was eligible for a tax refund because an audit found a mistake in her husband's business expenses.
The refund will be credited to your account once we verify your credentials.
The caller ID said Washington, D.C. She called the next day, and a man calling himself Investigator Alex Matthews told her she was due a refund of more than $2,000. He knew everything about her, even that she had already filed her tax return for this year.
They had all of my pertinent information. They had all of the amounts of all of my tax returns for the last 3 years. They had my Social Security number, my husband's Social Security number.
Alex even gave Simpson an employee ID number, but then came the red flag when the man on the phone told her in order to get the refund, she first had to pay a fee of $190. She could do that by either giving him a bank account number or use a prepaid debit card. She hung up and called the IRS and authorities. IRS spokesman Mike Dubzinski says she did the right thing.
When someone asks you to put some money up front in order to get some money, that's most likely a scam, and don't pay any attention to them. You should ignore them.
Before you send money to somebody, make sure it's actually the people that you do need to send it to.
The spokesman says the IRS can call you, and if you do get a call, you need to ask for a callback number and employee badge number.